मोस्ट कॉमन मिस्टेक्स जरूर अवॉइड करना व्हेन अप्लाइंग टू स्टडी अब्रॉड. Not researching the right country and course. One thing you absolutely cannot afford to mess up. आपका एक जनरल SOP लिखना मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी से खुद पे रिजेक्शन का स्टैंप लगवाना. अगर इनमें से किसी भी कंट्री में पढ़ने का ड्रीम है तो ये 10 मोस्ट कॉमन मिस्टेक्स जरूर अवॉइड करना व्हेन अप्लाइंग टू स्टडी अब्रॉड. एंड हाउ यू कैन अवॉइड देम लाइक अ प्रो ये हम आपको बताएंगे. So stick around and by the end of this video you will know exactly how to avoid these pitfalls and confidently start your journey with GradOut's expert guidance. So let's go. बस उससे पहले hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon so you never miss our top tips and tricks for studying abroad. Coming to mistake number 1, not researching the right country and course. Choosing the wrong country or course is like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just won't work. Did you know the USA is great for tech and research? But अगर आपको healthcare या management में जाना है तो Canada और UK might be a better fit. That's why at GradOut हम आपकी प्रोफाइल, इंटरेस्ट एंड करियर गोल्स को क्लोजली एनालाइज करते हैं एंड रेकमेंड दी परफेक्ट कंट्री एंड कोर्स फॉर यू. नो गेस वर्क, जस्ट क्लैरिटी. Moving to mistake number 2, ignoring admission deadlines. One thing you absolutely cannot afford to mess up is deadlines. किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी की डेडलाइन मिस करना यानी losing a whole year of opportunities. Mistake number 3, weak personal statement or SOP. Your statement of purpose is your ticket to standing out, but most students fumble here. आपका एक जनरल और वो SOP लिखना मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी से खुद पे रिजेक्शन का स्टैंप लगवाना. That's why avoid it. Mistake number 4, overlooking scholarships. भला स्कॉलरशिप से किसे प्यार नहीं है, but so many students don't even apply, thinking they won't qualify. Biggest mistake. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करना. We identify all available scholarships, merit-based, need-based, or even quirky ones for you. Will help you apply and boost your chances of studying abroad without breaking your bank. Mistake number 5, applying to random universities. Shotgun applications to random universities? No, a big no. You need a smart and targeted approach. That's why we ensure you apply to universities that fit your academic profile, budget, and career aspirations. And guess what? We even help improve your chances by showing you which universities offer a higher acceptance rate for students like you. Mistake number 6, ignoring financial planning. Let's face it, studying abroad isn't cheap at all. Many students forget to plan their finances early, which leads to unnecessary stress later. और आपको पता तो है ही कि we assist you with education loans along with guiding you in managing costs like tuition, living expenses and more. Mistake number 7, skipping visa preparation. A visa rejection can shatter your dreams. Many students fail because they don't prepare properly or submit incorrect documents. Don't worry, हम इस प्रोसेस में भी आपके साथ हैं. We'll assist you at the best. Mistake number 8, overlooking accommodation arrangements. Imagine landing in a new country and having nowhere to stay. Even worse than a nightmare, right? Well, we ensure that doesn't happen. We help you secure the best accommodation options well in advance. Mistake number 9, not networking or seeking guidance. Going solo is tough. Many students fail to connect with alumni or seek proper guidance. With GradOut, we help you join a network of mentors, alumni, and like-minded students who share tips and their experiences. You are never alone in this journey. But now coming to the last one, the biggest mistake number 10, not taking help from experts. As studying abroad involves so many moving parts like applications, scholarships, visas, and more. Why risk making mistakes when we offer free end-to-end guidance to you. Yes, you heard it right. सही सुना आपने, free. From shortlisting universities to securing your visa or accommodation, we are with you at every step. So want to make your study abroad dream a reality? बिना किसी second thought के fill out the Google form in the description below and let GradOut take care of everything for you. Also don't forget to check out these very helpful videos over your screen. And भूलना मत to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more valuable tips.